In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do text-to-speech on Adobe Express using the built-in text-to-speech add-on. To get started, open the Adobe Express project where you want to add your voiceover. This can be a video, presentation, or any design that supports audio. Over on the left-hand toolbar, click Add-ons. This is where you can add extra tools and features to your Adobe Express project. In the Add-ons panel, use the search field at the top and search for text-to-speech. Give the results a moment to load, then select text-to-speech from the results and add it to your project. Once the add-on has been added, wait for the text-to-speech panel to open on the right side of the screen. Quick side note, for more practical Adobe Express tutorials, be sure to subscribe to Ecom Control. In the panel on the right, start by typing or pasting the script you want Adobe Express to convert into spoken audio. Below that, choose the voice style you want to use. If you'd like more choices, click See All to browse the full list of available voices. Next, adjust the speed and pitch settings to make the narration sound closer to the style you want. When everything sounds right, click Generate Voice. Adobe Express will create the audio from your text, so it may take a moment to finish processing. After the audio has been generated, the left panel will switch to the audio panel. From here, you can adjust the volume of your text-to-speech audio. You can also add a fade in, fade out, or fade in and out to help the voiceover blend more smoothly into your project. To preview the generated speech, click the play button at the bottom left of the preview window. And that's it. You've successfully created text-to-speech audio in Adobe Express.